What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Arion here, back with another video. And in today's video we are going to do like a purse unboxing slash review, which is something I've never done before, so I'm really excited. And I think what makes this purse super special is the fact that one, it was a gift, and two, who does that? I have literally never done that in my life. One, it was a gift, and two, this is a purse from a Black owned company, guys. Like, honestly, to be completely transparent, I wish I would have shopped more Black just all throughout my life, and I've definitely been trying out a couple different Black owned businesses. I bought some athletic wear and I bought some makeup from a brand. I'm still looking for other companies to support, so if y'all have any suggestions, drop them down below, because I like buying new stuff, and if it's supporting the community, you know I'm all here for it. Anyway, I'm getting off topic. Today we're going to be unboxing this bag. Super excited. It's by the brand Blackwood, New York. Yeah, so if you're interested in watching this unboxing and hear about my first review and just seeing like all the specs about this super cute purse, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, then you get to sit back and relax and enjoy this video. Okay, let's get into this unboxing. And I feel like it's weird to say unboxing when it's not even in a box, but I digress. So before I show you guys the bag, of course this comes in the standard like designer bag, dust bag. I think that's what this is called. So if you don't want dust to get on it, you know, you can keep it in this bag. I personally don't know a lot of people that keep their purses in their dust bags. I've seen a lot of people just have them displayed, but since like COVID, I'm not going out a lot, I will probably keep this in the dust bag because I don't want it to get scratched up and I don't want it to get dust on it. So here we go. Look at the bag. Look, but wait, it's not even done. Guys, this is so freaking cute. So Blackwood has a bunch of different types of purses, and when I say a bunch, I would say he probably has maybe like 10 different designs, but a wide variety of colors and textures. So this one right here is the Kendrick trunk. That's really hard to say. Kendrick trunk in the color chocolate, and guys, this is giving me chocolate vibes. Like, oh, this is really making me want some brownies. That would actually be really good right now. Anyway, I digress. So this bag is super cute. It's about 7.5 inches long, about 6 inches tall, and then the website says it's 3 inches deep. I don't see that. I feel like the depth is bigger than that, but I'm not very good at guesstimating. Anyway, so that's the dimensions of the bag. And as you guys can see, I'll definitely do some close-ups for you guys, but the material of this bag is really nice. First glance, when I think of it, I think of brown elephant skin. This is actually made out of premium, like grain textured vegan leather. So I feel like this is helping me in my vegan journey. So that's what the material of the purse is. It feels really good. It's very smooth, and I feel like on camera you can't even see like the grooves and stuff, but it looks so nice. And then it has Blackwood in small text at the front, and I feel like that really just adds to like the luxury vibes of the bag. Like, it's so cute. And I also really like how this is in silver, and then like the buckles and the handle is also in silver, so it just looks very cohesive, very nice. So I already saw the bag, and I went ahead and put the shoulder strap on here, so you could either have it as like a handheld tote, which is actually really in right now. A lot of people have their small bags and just hold them in their hands and they let this drop, or you could be like Arion and wear it like this. And of course this is adjustable, so it can be as short or as long as you want it to be. I'll probably keep it at this length because I like it, but I think I could also see myself making it a little bit longer as well. Okay, and then this trunk, so you know, like trunks are similar to like suitcases. A lot of like, I feel like older people have like trunks in their houses for like storage for important things. So this is like a baby trunk, and it has a buckle on here. Luckily there's no lock. You just lift it up and then you open. And so this is what the inside of the bag looks like. I still have, you know, the silica gel and stuff in there just to, you know, preserve whatever it's supposed to be preserving or keep the smell out. Now the inside, as you can see, is basically just one big opening. There are not any sections. And again, right here it says Blackwood NYC, or New York. I feel like I would have preferred if it had like at least like one little like slip pocket, because I like to keep like change, or just like if I have something important with me, like let's say I'm only taking like one debit card with me, maybe I'll put it in there. But I mean, it's okay. I could always go and buy those like organizational pockets that you put in purses that have different pockets for stuff, I could do that, but I probably won't because I'm lazy. But if you're interested in that, you could definitely go ahead and do that. But yeah, so the inside is basic. It also has nice material. I think the website said that the inside is like imported cotton all throughout, so you definitely want to be mindful of maybe keeping like a mini lint roller with you. I mean, I personally don't care if like lint gets in my purse. Nobody's going to see the inside of my bag. But if you're someone who cares about that, maybe if you want to preserve the bag for a long time, you should probably get that. And guys, I'm like honestly like new to the whole, I don't want to sound like that person, but I'm new to the whole like nice bags trend. So like prior to this bag, like every other bag I would pick up like at a department store or like Forever 21, H&M, I was gifted like I had a Gucci backpack in high school, and so I feel like that was kind of nice, but I wasn't taking care of it as much as I would now that I understand like the value of these products. And I guess I should mention this bag is $110, which I personally think is not a bad price for like a designer black owned brand. I think it's really great. I think this is definitely a great quality product. Like I wish you guys could like feel it through the camera screen, but I promise you, definitely great quality. There's literally like no errors on the bag. And I thought it was actually kind of cool how some parts of the bag are actually hand stitched. So I feel like that makes, that makes you feel like this bag was like taken care of by someone who knew that I would enjoy the bag. But yeah, so I'm like super, super happy for this bag. My mom got me this bag for Christmas. So thank you, Mom, for this gift. I can't wait to like pair it up with some things. I have an outfit idea. So you'll probably be seeing it on my Instagram sooner or later. But yeah, this is just so cute, guys. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think about this bag. And also, I would definitely encourage you guys to check out Brandon Blackwood's website. He has so many different bags ranging from different prices. I think the cheapest thing I saw was $70 and the most expensive item was $8,000, but that is because that product is made out of actual crocodile. Anyway, so definitely go to his website, which is brandonblackwood.com, to see more of his purses. I know right now he's doing a lot of pre-ordering for his bags, and they're going to ship out like I think February 19th or 20th. So this is your time to get on board. And I would definitely say, like, if you're someone that likes to make a statement with your fashion, check out his End Systemic Racism like line. I think he's launching them like this week or something like that. He was being kind of mysterious about the drop date. It might have already dropped by the time this video is posted, but I'm sure he will definitely restock those bags because those are very popular. I don't know if you guys saw, but Kim Kardashian actually has one of the totes. Super, super cute. And this new launch is having multiple colors. I might have to pick up one of the bright colors so I can have, my basic nude Brandon Blackwood bag. And then I think he's going to have like this satin pink bag. Y'all might see another video with that because if his hints are lining up, then he's going to have a satin pink one. I'm getting distracted. But yeah, guys, so definitely a really, really great brand. And he does like a lot of different things on the Instagram story. So you'll like get to know him and like his team. Again, this is a black owned brand. This is a quality product. I'm not too sure about the shipping time. My mom ordered it. I don't know when she ordered it. But again, like a lot of the purses right now are pre-order and I think they ship out in February. So I think it's totally worth it. Well, all right, guys, that's all I have for you guys in this short black-owned business purse haul from the brand Brandon Blackwood. I hope you guys enjoyed. Tell me down below what you guys think about this purse. Would you get this purse in a different color? And guys, he actually has this purse in purple with pony hair. Very, very tempting. It's so cute. I'll post a picture here. So freaking cute. If you guys are interested in that, definitely go check that out. Very trendy, very stylish. So again, comment down below. Let me know if you guys would get this bag or if you've already heard of Brandon Blackwood and you already have a bag. So like, let's talk down below in the comments. If you guys want to see like more black owned business hauls, let me know because I would totally be interested in doing that. I can already show you a couple of the stuff that I already have. So let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, guys, it's 2021. We are going to have a great year here on Arion Janae's World. Last year was crazy because we hit 2,400 subscribers, which is unbelievable. We started the year off with 400, guys. So our little army is growing slowly but surely. But yeah, guys, that's all I have for you guys in this video. I will see you guys next week. Stay safe, stay warm, and see you. See you guys next time. Bye.